I have a goal today to do something with this. You know, I started off with the best of intentions, but then clutter just built up. So I gotta go to town first though. I gotta look at some stuff and then I'm gonna come back. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with a lot of this stuff. I mean, some of it I just have to throw out. And some of it I have to find a home for. But today, that is the goal. And if we finish that quickly, early, before it gets too hot, then we might move on to something else. Let's go to town. You know, I put my cell phone holder in the wrong spot. And there's nothing I could do about it now because it's like permanently stuck to the window. I'm worried I'm gonna break the window trying to get it off. I tried to, so we're just gonna have to deal with it for now until I can figure something out. I gotta look on YouTube or something and see how to remove this thing, but for now it's just there. I'm sorry, I know it's a pain in the butt, but anyway, let's get to town before it gets too hot. So I got most of the front done, and I'll be honest, I gave up halfway through. I got half of it done. So I've got this new planter right here that we're going to be working on next, and it's going to be a large, I don't know what size it is. Anyway, it's going to be a succulent planter, which is going to look awesome. It's like 2 by 2 foot, something like that. I've only got 2 more palms up here. I moved the elephant ears to either side of the walkway there, and then 2 more palms. 2 palms I moved up back, 1 I've got in my yard cart over there. But I'm trying to get the patio cleaned up a little bit, emptied off, so it can be used a little bit more. And I've got firewood stacked, got junk and debris that I've got to take care of. I'm a little nervous about this Majesty palm that it's not going to make it. We'll see. This one, the fronds, first frond since I got it, are starting to open up. So that's pretty awesome. I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, like I said, next, we're going to work on that guy right there, get some dirt, and get some succulents in it. Let's go. Alright, let's see how this is going to work out. That's going to be fantastic. start planting. I want to get some of these guys out of here. Although I don't know how intertwined. Well, they appear to be very intertwined. Let's see if we can break them apart. Well, they seem to have broken apart fairly well. I don't know where I'm going to put them all. I don't really know what I'm doing here. Kind of a mix-mash mess. Alright, I kind of like that. Now I got a empty pot I can play with too. Get this thing filled up. Actually, this will probably work a little bit better. Less messy, at least. I'm recording, bud. Have a good time, okay?
Yep.
Not sure how much this is going to hold, but it's going to hold a little bit. Oh, it's coming out now. It's coming out. All right, so we'll see how that works out. I'm kind of glad this thing's on wheels. It can roll around. I might have a couple more I want to add to that, but for now we'll call this good. Actually, let's get the little. Where's my mist? Get the leaves cleaned up a little bit. Wow. Can you believe that that was all in there? Pretty amazing. Let's dismount you there. So that's what we got. It looks a little bare right now, but in no time it'll look better, I'm sure. Hopefully.